Skoda Auto India has revealed design sketches of the upcoming Slavia compact sedan's cabin. The sketches reveal a familiar layout with the dashboard taking design cues from other Skoda offerings. These include the round air vents, a horizontal decorative trim strip, and embossed word marks on the binnacle. You also notice the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, while the model is likely to come with a virtual cockpit on the top variants. The Skoda Slavia shares its underpinnings with the Kushaq, and the model will carry over several features too, including climate control, ventilated seats, connected technology, and a wide cabin with ample legroom and shoulder room. The new Skoda Slavia will make its global debut on the 18th of November this year, while the launch is scheduled in the first quarter of 2022. Triumph Motorcycles has unveiled the new Street Twin EC1 Special Edition. The EC1 Special Edition takes inspiration from the custom classic motorcycle culture of London's East End, particularly the historic streets of EC1, the iconic London postal code. The Triumph Street Twin EC1 comes with a special paint scheme and premium custom detailing like the matte aluminium silver and matte silver ice colors on the fuel tank. There's also subtle hand-painted silver coach lining. The side panels are finished in matte silver ice and carry a new Street Twin limited edition graphic. Both the front and rear mudguards are finished in matte aluminium silver as well. The 10-spoke wheels are finished in black, and so are the engine covers, headlamp bowl and rear view mirrors. There are no mechanical updates to the motorcycle that carries over the same engine. The new Triumph Street Twin EC1 is expected to arrive in India sometime next year in limited numbers. Indian auto industry stalwarts Anand Mahindra, chairman of the Mahindra Group, and Venu Srinivasan, chairman of the TVS Group, were conferred the Padma Bhushan award by the President of India, Ramnath Kovind. The Padma Bhushan is the country's third highest civilian honour and was handed over at a special ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Both Anand Mahindra and Venu Srinivasan were awarded the honour in the field of trade and industry. The top bosses have been driving forces for the Indian auto sector, with Mahindra's immense contribution in the passenger and commercial vehicle space, while the TVS Group has been instrumental as one of the leading two-wheeler makers putting India on the global map. Venu Srinivasan's pioneering work in establishing the total quality management concept has set benchmarks for the commerce sector at large.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.